Welcome to Haven and Green, where everyday spaces become meaningful moments. The dining room is more than just a place to eat. It is where connection lives. It holds the quiet rhythm of daily life and the warmth of shared experiences. In a home filled with different spaces, the dining room stands out as one of the few areas designed for togetherness. It naturally brings people closer, creating a setting where conversations flow, laughter feels effortless, and time slows down. It is not just about meals, it's about presence. The dining room invites us to pause, to sit, and to truly engage with the people around us. In a world that constantly moves, this simple act becomes something powerful. A well-thought-out dining space has the ability to shape how we feel. It can turn ordinary routines into comforting rituals, where even the simplest meal feels special. The atmosphere, the openness, and the sense of gathering all contribute to a feeling of belonging. The dining room also plays an important role in the balance of a home. It connects different areas, creating a natural flow between living, cooking, and socializing. It becomes a space that adapts to different moments: quiet mornings, busy evenings, or long conversations that stretch into the night. Beyond function, it carries emotional value. It is where memories are made without effort, celebrations, everyday conversations, and moments that may seem small but stay with us for years. A thoughtfully designed dining room encourages us to slow down and appreciate what truly matters. It reminds us that a home is not just about how it looks, but how it brings people together. Because at the heart of every home, there is a space where people gather, share, and connect. And often, that space is the dining room.